Hi! In front of me is REALME C55, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store app. Now click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Then get this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, just swipe to the right. This way you can access all of the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!